I am Suzanne. I'm inviting you to join me for this monthly workshop on writing a love letter to your destiny. It's like a journey, so I'm going to take you on a little journey on this video. Why have I created a monthly workshop on writing a letter to your destiny? Well, I'm an absolute believer in the power of words, the power of creativity. I'm a believer that we all have a genetic future, that's for sure. But to have a destiny is something that's really empowering, where we need to have self-discipline and intention and attention. And as you can see, I love words. I have words everywhere. I write a lot. And the art of letter writing, sadly, is very lost. But we can still write a letter to ourselves. But even better, we can write a letter to our destiny. And even better, a love letter to our destiny. So really, in all honesty, I've been doing that for over 2 years now. And the things I've been able to manifest, create, and live as an author, an artist, a healer, a shaman has been more than astounding. Because I think when we write like that, we tap into spirits, into our unconscious. We focus and we put on paper laws. Words are laws, remember. So please join me. You're going to be very, very amazed.